To our honored guest, Visionary Principal, Sir Marlon Martinez, hardworking Assistant Principal, Sir Jefferson Gregorio, dearest teachers, diligent non-teaching personnel, loving parents, cherished friends, and most of all, to my fellow completers, a pleasant and wonderful morning. Isa pong karangalan sa akin na tumayo ngayon sa inyong harapan upang magbigay ng pasasalamat at magbalik tanaw sa masasayang alaala ng ating batch. I remember 2 years ago, when we were in 8th grade, we were tasked by our English teacher to write a valedictory address or word of gratitude. As was part of our group performances. Why am I telling you this? Because ang talumpati pong ito ay naisulat ko na nung tayo na sa ika-8 baitang pa lamang. But I wasn't able to recite it because I got sick. In the end, it was my group mate that gave the speech instead. In short, this is from a draft of my written piece from 2 years ago. But obviously, I revised it a lot better. But believe me, noong panahong isunod ko po ito, I was not expecting I would be able to deliver it today. Well, yes, I have dreamed of it. It is my dream to be standing here, and that's why I work hard for it. I crave, I stress, and now I got it. Well, finally, the long wait is over. April 15, 2025, the day that marks a special day. Dumating na ang araw na pinakahihintay natin. The day has finally come when the thing we paid for, when everything we had, has finally arrived. According to Google, to graduate means to complete the class or course of study. But I know for some of us, o para sa ating lahat, graduation means more than that. It means growing, changing, and moving forward. Our 4 years of junior year has been a time to remember. Sobrang dami ko pong natutunan. Not just academically, but also mentally, emotionally, and spiritually, all came from different persons I encountered. Naniniwala akong ang mga alaalang ito ay madadala natin habang buhay. Lalang-lala na ang classroom na puno ng samahan ng iba't ibang mga klase ng estudyante. May mga kaklaseng mga ate na ang break time ginagawang ng touch time, yung president na todo iyak na sa harap ng klase, hindi pa rin tumitigil yung mga pasaway, mga boys at the back na ginagawang tournament or recess time, mga loverbird sa likod, mga tiktokers, mga nonchalant, mga athletes na laging may baong gamit, tapos yung kaklase mong matlino na sa sobrang daming salihang competitions, hindi mo na makita kasi laging excuse. May comedian rin, pero sila yung may mga pinakamabigat na pinagdadaanan. Tapos ang hindi mawawala ay yung lifesaver nating kaklase na source na reviewer at notes kasi tamad tayong magsulat. Sobrang dami pa at aminin mo naging isa ka rin sa mga yon. Well, patunay lang mga ito na we all have memorable memories to keep and it's hard to let go of. We all accomplished one of the major early milestones of our lives, and this would have not been possible if it weren't for the people who help us. In behalf of this batch, 2024 to 2025 completers, we wanted to give an immense appreciation. Sa amin pong mga magulang at tagapangalaga, who of all people know us the best, ang salitang salamat ay hindi pa sapat. Hindi namin kailanman maigitan lahat ng paghihirap at sakripisyo ninyo. Ma, pa, nay, tay, lola and lolo, tita and tito, mommy and daddy, kuya and ate, just knowing we have you beside us is already enough to push us through our struggles. Totoo nga po ang sabi nila na nakakapagod mag-aral, pero hindi sapat yon upang sumuko dahil mas pagod ang nagpapaaral. Hindi po lahat ng kabataan ngayon ay nasusuportahan at nakapatamasa ng wastong edukasyon. Kaya, be proud dahil may estudyanteng magtatapos ngayon dahil sa inyo. And I want to take personally my mom and dad, me and Dee. Saksi kayo sa lahat ng paghirap na ginugol ko sa studies ko.
Pagitan
I'm
niyo na
sorry
tigil,
po.
tigil.
And I want to take this moment
Ma.
para magpasalamat sa lahat ng ginawa ng hindi ko matutumbasan.
Dali niyo doon kay Gail.
You were the most wonderful parent in the world. Natalo na ako sa team ko. Aaminin ko pong ibang-iba ako sa bahay pagdating sa school. Sobrang spoiled at arting anak. Yet you guys supported and loved me in all ways. Thank you for making me this woman today. You raised me and Kuya so well that the others witnessed how we grew up right. To our dearest teacher, our second parent figure, the pillar of education,
Uy,
ang aming tagapagsanay,
yung tissue ko.
tawagan kapag may nag-aaway sa room at katuwang sa loob ng 10 buwan.
Tissue ko.
Maraming salamat po. To raise one child is hard enough. How much more kung 40 pa? Sobra-sobra po ang paghanga namin sa inyo. Sa loob ng isang araw, nakikita namin, pero hindi po namin ganasa mga paghihirap ninyo. Ang tumayo ng ilang oras sa harap ng klase, humarap ng ilang daang estudyante, pagkapaos ng poses habang dahil kakasigaw, at ang magturo habang may pinagdadaanan. You all made me realize that teacher were the most selfless profession. Para po kayong teacher, para po kayong heroes that saves 300 plus people a day, but with the knowledge you provide.
Mahal ang
Mami,
makeup. Mahal ang makeup, Gail.
Sorry po. To Mami na best friend namin sa loob ng 10 buwan, I hope you know that SSC Nueve loves and appreciates you dearly. At alam ko kung ganun din ang turing mo sa amin dahil nagtampo ka noong panahong nakalimutan mo namin. You're so sorry, Mom. Especially sa lahat ng headache, sama na loob at luhang na idulot namin. We may not be the best batch of nurtured, but we are happy and grateful to be part of your class. Actually, nagtatampo po kami sa'yo.
Yung pizza.
Nagtatampo po kami sa'yo kasi
Yung pizza.
may new batch of student kang papapasukin sa naging tahanan namin. That classroom knows better than anyone. Sa amin po yan. Joke. But we know it's harder for you because you lose us. May iwan ka naman at may bagong naman magpasaway. To Sir Dada, Ma'am Maureen, and Ma'am Jobs, na naging tagapagsanay ko po sa Ballroom Modern Standard at SciTech English Writing. Thank you because you believe in my potential more than I did. Nakakapagod man po sumali sa competition. Pero sulit na sulit kung kagaya niyo mga coach. I've learned so much, not just about dancing and writing, but also about discipline, communication, adaptability, and collaboration. I will forever be grateful I get to experience using my talents and passion in competing with other schools. To Sir Jefferson Gregorio, our current assistant principal, and Rizal Media and Performing Talents Club advisor, thank you. I